Hey Donna, back again with another tutorial. So in this one, we're going to take a look at how to do filters. So let me clear this out. Okay. So this is going to be from the point where you have downloaded your purchase history. You're going to get your sheet that looks like this with all these different categories at the top. The first thing you want to do is just select all and then go over to this, make sure this data tab up here is clicked, and then you're just gonna find this thing that says filter, right? And what that's gonna do, it's gonna add all these little triangles to each column, and that's what allows you to filter for any particular column that you're looking for. So I think from what I remember you asking me, you wanted to be able to filter for specific product categories, which would be in this column G. So I'm going to click this triangle, and you can see all the different product categories. So using your example, I want to know only what I spent on sneakers. So I'm going to click select all, which is going to clear out everything, and I'm going to go down, look for sneakers, check that, and it's going to automatically, since this auto apply button is already checked, it automatically updates with the filter. In case this wasn't checked, you would have this button that shows up here that says apply filter, and you would click that. And now everything that's showing up here is only any item that I've purchased that showed up as sneakers in the product category. And then you can still do your total down here like we talked about. It'll give you the sum of what you spent. And if you want to sort by date in case it's not already sorted, you can highlight the column, and you see this A to Z. Expand the selection, we do sort, and what that does is put everything in order. So now it's in order of the date that I purchased every item. If you want to sort it the other way, you can do Z to A, and that's going to give me, oops. So now it's from most recent date going down. So you can organize all your stuff that way as well. If you want to unfilter and go back, you can just click select all, apply filter, and then now we're back to kind of how we started with everything. And you can filter for anything that you want. Let's say you wanted men's vintage clothing, and in addition to sneakers, could do that. Pretty much anything you want, any combination you want. If there's anything that's not covered here that you still had questions about, of course, feel free to reach out to me. But that's it for this video.